Aloha, I'm Paul Evisick. I'm the general manager of the Sheraton Keho Bay Resort. It's a very special property. It was built in 1970 by Frank Lloyd Wright. It used to be overnight. Now you gotta be visible cleaning in front of the guests so they know it's happening. And Whiz has enabled us a technology that can do it without driving somebody to work, 22 hours a day. A machine can. It is there for our guests, a visible reminder that we're doing things different and we have to enhance what we're doing. And guests really get a charge out of a robot going through the lobby or down a hallway when they're walking.
Really tried to look for and reach out for new technologies and kind of bring the hotel into the 21st century. Once we incorporate the robots, our associates were very surprised because we don't have a lot of those kind of technologies or those kind of innovations on property. The guests and the associates both really had a great reaction when they saw it the first time, and it's almost like it's become part of the team.
We actually named our Whiz Local and Moko. So you hear the other employees saying where's Moko, where's Local. And they realized how efficient it was. So now you don't have to manually vacuum and wait for the next 30 minutes before you could disinfect the areas you need to do. Once you say Whiz and it's working, you could do other things at the same time.
With one of our Whiz going around the front lobby, that's one of the very first things that they see. So it really sets the tone for when they get here at the hotel for the rest of their vacation to know that the hotel's sanitary and that we're taking it seriously.
Seeing the team working side by side with Whiz and seeing them disinfection at the same time, that is a good thing. This is more innovative.
It is not a replacement of people or the people business. We see it as enhancing the protocols around cleaning and helping the staff get things done more effectively so they can spend more time with the guest.